Good morning everyone, I'm Ana Marie Babisina and I'm going to demonstrate the assistive device and gate pattern. So the first thing to do is wash my hand, sanitize my hand, and wear my gloves. So the first assistive device I'm going to use is the crutches. So this is a crutches, the crutches pad, angle drip, leg adjuster, and the scotch tape. So the first is a 3-point gate non-weight. So first is device, sway, hop. Device, sway, hop. So the next one is the partial weight. So first is device, weak leg, strong leg. So device, weak leg, strong leg. The next one is full weight. So first is device, weak leg, strong leg. Device, weak leg, the strong leg. Next is the 4-point gate pattern. So it's first is device, weak leg, device, strong leg, device, weak leg, device, strong leg. Next one is the 2-point gate pattern. So first is device with the weak, device with the strong, device with the weak, device with the strong. Okay. Next one is the drag pattern. So first, device, drag, device, drag. So next is the 2.8 swing toe. So device, swing toe, device, swing toe. Next one is the swing throw. Device, swing throw, device, swing throw. Next device I'm going to use is the J-key for stopping. So the first step is, this is my weak leg. So device with the leg, strong leg. So device with the leg, strong leg. So ascending, strong leg, device with the leg, weak leg. Next one for descending. So device with the weak leg, strong leg. Next one is for gout patient. So this is my weak leg. So device with the weak leg, strong leg. Device with the weak leg, strong leg. For ascending, strong leg, device with the weak leg. For my descending, device with the weak leg, strong leg. So I'm done with the J-key device. Now I'm going to use the Walker for 3.8 gate. So first is the non-weight. So device, swing, hop. Device, swing, hop. Next one is for the partial. Device, weak leg. Next is the strong leg. Device, weak leg, and strong leg. Next one is for my full weight. Device with the leg, device, weak leg, strong leg. Device, weak leg, strong leg. Full weight, 3-point gate pattern. So device, weak leg, strong leg. Device, weak leg, strong leg. Next one is the drag. Device, drag. Device, drag. Next one is, the last one is the swing toe. So device, swing toe. Device, swing toe. So I'm done with the Walker device. So now I'm going to remove my gloves, clean my hand, and sanitize. Then after that, I'm going to document all the data.